Hey guys! Hi sa mga ka-paid reels natin dyan. So, today is Monday here in Canada, but it's Tuesday in Philippines. So, it's payday with paid reels. So, sa mga meron ng mga earnings dyan, make sure to withdraw your earnings. And sa video na ito, tuturo ko sa inyo paano ka ba makaka-withdraw. Okay, so first, click mo lang tong menu sa taas kasi kailangan mo i-set up yung payment settings mo. So, click mo yan and click mo yung settings and then click mo ang user profiles. Okay? Pagdating mo dyan, click payment settings. So, dito, makikita mo yung mga options ng payment method. So, merong payer, merong perfect money. Pwede kang mag-create ng accounts dyan. Pwedeng crypto na lang yung piliin mo, okay? So, they are paying out USDT via Tron, okay? So, dito meron na akong nakalagay pero i-delete natin yan. And, ayan, TRC20 address. So, paano ka ba magkaroon ng TRC20 USDT address? So, meron din nito sa Coins.ph, okay? Meron din naman sa Binance, right? So, for Binance users, click mo lang yung Binance. Ayan. So, ganito sa Binance, click mo lang yung wallet. Ayan. And click mo yung deposit. So, i-type mo lang yung USDT. Ayan. And then, piliin mo yung TRC20. Okay? So, ayan na siya. Then, click mo lang yung copy icon and makakopy na siya automatic. And then, pwede mo na siyang i-paste kay paid reels. So, kay Coins.ph naman, ayan, actually pwede rin sa GCash, pero explore nyo na lang. So, dito tayo sa Coins.ph. Now, pag nasa Coins.ph ka, ito yung makikita mo. So, syempre, punta ka sa crypto. Ayan, yung sa baba. Tapos, hanapin mo na yung USDT. Okay? So, Tether siya. Tether USDT. Click mo yan. And then, click mo yung Receive USDT. So, ito na yung mga networks options niya. So, ang isa-select natin is Tron. Okay? Ayan. So, i-copy mo lang siya. Right? Click mo lang yung icon na yan. And then, automatic makakopy na siya. So, balik ka na sa paid reels. Okay? And then, i-paste mo siya dito. Right? There you go. Of course, you need to enter your PIN. Ito yung ginawa mo nung nag-register ka. Ayan, click mo yung save. Alright, so merong email na isa-send sa'yo for confirmation. Ayan na siya, 10990. Alright, then click mo yung submit. There you go. So, updated na yung payout address mo. Ayan. So, okay na. Pwede ka na ngayon mag-withdraw. Alright? So, pupunta ka lang sa dashboard. Ayan. So, meron akong yung earning wallet lang yung nawi-withdraw dito, guys, ha? So, pinag-combine na yung referral income plus yung bonus na na-receive ko, sign-up bonus plus total earnings. Yung purchase balance, ito lang yung pwedeng i-transfer. So, ang nawi-withdraw natin yung earning balance natin. So, how you withdraw, punta ka lang sa finance and click mo yung withdraw. So, kita mo dito, earning wallet lang yung nawi-withdraw. Payment processor. So, Coins.ph. Yan. Then, coin type. Ito, USDT TRC20. So, yung earnings natin is 33.18. Ayan. Click done. And then, so, pwede ka mag-view ng mga payment proof dito. Click mo lang yung nasa taas. So, meron tayong fee na 4.08. So, ang total na mawi-withdraw ko lang ay 29.10 out of my 33.18. Okay? So, click withdraw. Alright, so I need my PIN again. Then, confirm. So, wait natin yung code from email. Okay, 28826. Ayan. So, click submit. Ayan. So, your payout request has been submitted. So, let's wait for maximum 24 hours kasi marami silang pinoprocess. So, yun na yun. Wait mo na lang mag-reflect yung withdrawals mo sa coins.ph kung yun yung sinet up mo. So, that's it. That's how you withdraw. And make sure to withdraw your earnings. Ayan, zero na yung earning wallet. So, yun na guys. Withdraw time every Tuesday and Friday, Pinas time. So, dito sa Canada, Monday and Thursday. Happy earnings everyone. Happy clicking. Don't forget to follow my page, Baby Snow Crypto Princess, as well as my YouTube channel para lagi kayong updated. So, happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye!